Yes, Note 4 in Table 220.55 allows you to add the ampacities of multiple appliances that are not used at the same time. Let's look at the calculations. Firstly, total wattage is calculated by adding the oven and cooktop wattages. 10 kilowatts plus 9 kilowatts equals 19 kilowatts. Secondly, apply the diversity factor of 12 kilowatts. Thirdly, determine the ampacity required. 19 kilowatts minus 12 kilowatts equals 7 kilowatts. Now let's refer to Table 220.55. In column C for one appliance, calculate 8 kilowatts times 135% equals 10,800. Next, calculate the circuit amperage. 10,800 divided by 240 volts equals 45 amps. For the circuit, use a 50 amp circuit breaker. For wiring, use number 8 American wire gauge Romex for the 9 kilowatt cooktop and use number 6 American wire gauge Romex for the 10 kilowatt oven. In conclusion, the calculations and proposed wiring scheme are correct. The junction box can be tapped with number 8 American wire gauge Romex for the cooktop and number 6 American wire gauge Romex for the oven, and use a 50 amp circuit breaker.